is Bill McDonald, the May the 4th be with you writing doctor. Today I have an assistant to help me because I'm going to record a video for all my math people out there. If you don't have my writing club, it's May the 4th be with you. You type those words F-O-U-R-S. And the math club is Come On Sense Math, not Common Sense, but Come On Sense Math. And you can join my math club and get some strategies. Today I wanted to show you what I call karate math. Okay? Alright, I'm going to start with something simple. The difference between odd and even. My hands are behind my back. The word odd has one vowel and 3 letters. So the second that your students read odd, they're going to go, hoo! 1 vowel, 3 letters. And so they skip count from there, 5, 7, 9. And when you take a test, that's A, B, C, D. The opposite of odd is even. So the second they read even, they'll go, even has 2 vowels, huh, 4 letters, huh. And they skip count from there, 6, 8, and 0. The next one is perimeter. Perimeter, perimeter, add up all sides. And I'll do an addition operation, huh. We have area next. Area, that's 3 syllables. Area, length times width. For the lower grades, we have area, count the squares. And they'll say, which ones do I count, miss? Well, whichever ones they're counting, asking you to count, the shaded or the unshaded. Then we have estimate. You're taking a number and you're trying to put it to a lower 10 or a higher 10. A lower 100 or a higher 100. In upper grades, a lower 1,000 or a higher 1,000. And then you have them finish the thought. Estimate, round it first. I used to say round it first, but they would round up. So make sure they round it first, and then they can do the operation. Next idea, we're going to say the 4 operations. Sum, huh. Sum plus add, huh. Difference, huh. Difference, subtract, minus, huh. Product, huh. Product times multiply, huh. A hard one, watch this, we'll do it in slow motion for slow learners. Quotient, huh. The dividing line, huh. Numerator, huh. Denominator. Parallel, huh. Intersecting, huh. 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 Any 2 lines that cross at any point, even at a T. Right angle, huh, right angle, huh, 90 degrees, huh, 90 degrees, huh. I think the grunt really helps, changing the angles a little bit. Obtuse, huh, 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 huh. Obtuse, oh sorry, acute, huh, huh, huh. I hope I didn't say that wrong. Obtuse, huh, obtuse, huh. Anything more than 90 degrees are right. Fraction part, huh, huh. Fraction whole, huh, huh. Numerator, huh, huh. Denominator, huh, huh. Dividend, huh, huh. Divisor, huh, huh. Remainder, huh, 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 huh. The remainder is how much is left down there after you do all the work. Faces, pretend like SpongeBob. I've heard of 2 faces. Well, SpongeBob has 6 faces. He's got 6 walls. Ho, 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 ho. I think that added up to 6. Vertices. Ho, it's like a point, a vertex. Vertices. Ho, ho, 2 points on a 3-dimensional shape. Edges. Ho, edges. Ho. How many edges does it have? When you're checking patterns, you check the difference, the corresponding relationship between 2 numbers. Ha, 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 and it continues with their T-chart. Hours and minutes. Tell your kids that the hour hand is sort of like the thumb, and the minute hand is like the finger, and they can move around for every time that this moves around the entire clock 1 time, then your hour hand will move forward 1 hour. Spring forward, fall back. Then we have decimal point. And 3,000, I want to bounce an imaginary ball on the table for a comma, 284, and 1/10. And I'm going to hold up 1 finger, means 1 digit after the decimal. Hundredths, you would say 3,000, bounce the ball on the table, 192 and 24 hundredths. 2 digits after the decimal. All right, I'm going to close with a metric lesson. A meter is floor to the door. If you look at every single classroom and you hold your hands about to your waist, 39 inches is from the floor to the door. 1 meter stick, 39 inches. Decimeter is a closed palm. A centimeter is about the thickness of a child's pinky. A sticker, possibly a pencil. And a millimeter is the thickness of your fingernail or the thickness of a dime. So that's about it for today. Hope you enjoyed that lesson. We'll call it karate math. Sum, product, quotient, difference, how much change you subtract, how much more you subtract, difference you subtract, something you subtract. By that I mean that if I say, Israel, my son, is 6 feet tall. Bill, his dad, is 6'4". How much taller, something you subtract. My daughter Cherise can run the mile in like 6 minutes. Her dad can run the mile in about 6 hours. How much faster, something you subtract. Okay? I hope that you enjoyed the lessons. Karate math. Please share or tag this video with some of your math teacher friends. Thanks and God bless.